Welcome back, my friends. Those who are new, welcome. Today, I'll be doing a dip method for which I have already applied the nail tips. I'll be using uh, Bon Pite's dipping powders. Only the dip powder I'm using, and for the base and the activator and the top coat, I'm using a company named Preboily. This also I got from AliExpress, and this is clear acrylic powder, which I got from Keystone. And I'll be doing the dip method in such a way that one layer I'll apply the dip base, put the color, then put the activator. To speed up the process, I'm trying this method. Let's see whether I'm successful in that or not. But before beginning, let me tell you, you have to prep your nails. Since I do many videos on my hand, so I didn't prep my nails. I have just applied the tips. You have to prep your nails, like you have to give a buff, and you have to apply the dehydrator, primer, and then you apply your tips. But since, as you know, I didn't do all those things, I have just applied the tips. But I am going to buff the tips in front of you. So let me put this aside. Now I am taking 100 grit file and will file it. Crisps the shape of the nails. I'm going to blend the edges. If you have a drill machine, you can do it with a drill machine also. Now I will show you with the drill machine. I have taken this is the Arbor band, the mandrel. So I'll be taking it in a low speed of say 4000 RPM and will buff the nail. So my nails are buffed and shaped. Now I will start the process. For this, I'll take base coat first. This is a resin, so it's almost like a glue. So you have to give that time to get it cured. So I will take the clear acrylic powder and I'll just take a tray. Now one thing I forgot, always keep a lint free cotton pad with you or a tissue paper, so that whenever you use the base or the activator, whatever it is, you, before putting it back to the bottle, before putting this brush back to the bottle, you just wipe it off. Then your brush will also be clean and it will stay good for quite a long time. So I'll be applying it on the half of the nail first. Now with a spoon, this way I will do all the other 4 nails. Now the first one got cured. I have a dedicated brush for dip powders, so with that I will clear it. You can also dip your nails inside the jar of the colored or whatever it is, the colored acrylic or the clear acrylic. You can dip your nails in the jar, but it contaminates the full jar, so it may contaminate. But if you do clients, I don't do clients, so I can easily do it. But since many people do clients, so they can try this method. They have to try this method, then it won't get contaminated. I will give a second layer. Now this time I will bring it till from the cuticle area. Now why I have used a clear base? This is because I have done my nails a little longer. I have used tips. So to give the strength, I have used the clear one. If you do it in a shorter nail bed, then you can directly apply the color on your nail bed without giving the clear powder first. So this got dried up. Now I will put activator to all my nails. This is to harden the nails. I mean the glue that I have applied, this is to harden that. I will take another one for the activator. Use the activator generously. Now I'm going to use this powder. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. I'm going to use this powder for my middle finger and my ring finger. Now I will apply the base from the cuticle region to the free edge. I will give a second layer of the colors and then put the activator. Now again I'll put the activator. This portion did not attach properly, so I will do it again. I'll rectify that. Now my nails are ready to get filed, but before that I'm going to give a clear top coat of the on this with the base coat only, as I have did on the as I have done on the in the beginning. In the same way I will do it now also, so that when I'm filing I don't file over the colors. So this is what, after giving the clear, I'll just dust it off and put the activator. Now I have to wait for this to get dry. So can you hear this? That means all the nails are ready to get filed. I'll start the filing now. So my nails are completely filed and buffed. Now I'm going to put the top coat. But before that, I think here I'll come back. Yes, I'm back. I will give it a wipe. And apply the top coat. Now the top coat of the dipping system, I don't like it so much because it doesn't give that amount of glaze which a no wipe top coat, I mean gel top coat gives. So I will try it. If I don't get that shine, then I will put a gel wipe top coat on that top coat itself. So this is the top coat. We have to apply 2 coats. Wait for 30 seconds. Then again give the another coat. the top coat dried up, but it's not giving the shine like a gel top coat. So I will quickly give a gel top coat, no white gel top coat over this. Now the shine, I really like the shine. I'll just apply cuticle oil. So now, how do you like it? Though I don't like the dip powder system, I use it with monomer. I use the dip powders with monomer. I'm going to do a video on this also, but still this effect did not come bad. It's looking quite good. So this is the end of my video, and thank you for watching, and please do share, comment and give a like if you like the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified. Thank you for watching again. Goodbye.